Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is like 6 o'clock at night right now, and I was planning on filming a night routine tonight, but then I thought about it and I realized that nothing about what I'm going to be doing tonight is going to be what I normally do in my routine. So I am just going to be filming a night in my life kind of vlog, I guess. So yeah, I have a lot of stuff to do. I am actually moving tomorrow, so I'm trying to get everything organized and packed up. I have a project for one of my classes to work on to actually start because I haven't even started it yet, and I just have a lot of stuff to do, and I'm also gonna edit this video tonight. So yeah, it's 6 o'clock right now, so I think I'm just gonna start with picking up my room a little bit, organizing it, and just getting all that stuff situated because it's a mess. There's just stuff everywhere and I'm really overwhelmed. So I think I'm gonna put a lot of it into my closet for now just to get it out of the way, and I'll start working on my project for my class because that's due on Saturday. And yeah, so I'm moving tomorrow and I don't know how I'm gonna get everything ready for that. Honestly, I'm probably just gonna have to like pack everything like on the spot tomorrow, and I'm not vlogging myself moving tomorrow because everything's just gonna be really hectic, and I just don't think it's a good idea to vlog because it's gonna be a lot. But yeah, I'm gonna start picking up my room and, you know, getting all that situated. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you do that. Subscribe to my channel. And yeah, here's the situation in my room right now. Can't even get to my closet over there. It's a literal disaster. So I'm gonna try to fix this. Okay, I know it still doesn't look great, but it feels so much better, you guys. I can actually like walk over here. So I kind of just shoved everything into my closet, and there's just a bunch of random stuff on my bed too. And I also threw my hair up because it was bothering me. So now that that is somewhat fixed a little bit, I am gonna start on my project for class. Maybe even finish it, I don't really know. But this is the absolute last thing I have to do for this semester. So I'm quite excited about it, not gonna lie. I'm so ready to be done and just move on. So I'll tell you about the assignment in a second, but I thought I'd show you guys my to-do list for today that oh my gosh, my hair, that I didn't really like accomplish anything from. But this was everything I was trying to get done today. I did get some stuff done, so I'll check it off of the to-do list. Today's Thursday, the 17th, and I even wrote down that I was gonna film my night routine, which that's just going to turn into a vlog now. That handwriting is very bad. Then I actually did upload the vlog today. Still need to do these things though. I edited the vlog. This is turning into a night vlog. I did wash my dishes. I had a bunch, you guys probably couldn't even see that. I did wash my dishes. I had some dishes in here that I needed to wash. I haven't gone through my food yet, but I did like somewhat clean, so I'm gonna check that off anyways. So yeah, now I am gonna work on my stuff for class. Super exciting. I am literally done with all my other classes, and this is the absolute last thing that I have to do. I am done with all my exams. I still don't know how well I did on them. I think it's fine though, but I will explain to you guys what the assignment is once I actually figure out what it is. I think I know what it is. One of my friends is also in the class, so I was talking to her about it, and she was trying to figure out how to start it too, and I just couldn't really help her out because I didn't know what I was doing either. But first things first, we have to light a candle or else we will not be productive. Those are just the rules. This one is Cinnamon Irish Cream from Bath and Body Works. It reminds me of the frosting that comes with like the cinnamon rolls that you get at the store, like the pre-made ones. It's really good. I hate this lighter so much. Ugh. I probably should have cut the wicks too. There we go. Okay, now the productive vibes in here just like went up 10 levels. I don't know, I don't make the rules. It is so dark in my room. What the heck? That water is so cold. I feel like I'm gonna be so annoyed about my glasses because they're so reflective. Okay, let me explain to you guys what this project is. Maybe it'll help me kind of understand it more too. So I have a discussion post, which we always have, and oh, this one is just as feedback for the class, so I don't really need to like read anything or learn anything for it, which is usually what we have to do for discussions normally. We need to like read a part of the book and like answer some questions and stuff. But since that's just feedback, I can do that later. But the assignment is the final project. So we did not have an exam in this class. We just had a final project. Well, the class is an advertising and public relations class, so it's about social media and stuff. So obviously it's going to be related to that. So basically it looks like we need to create a fake campaign for a fake company, I think is what we have to do. I'm not really sure. She didn't give like a lot of specifics, but yeah, I think we just have to make some fake Facebook posts and then create a tagline. So it looks like we just need to make up some fake social media posts and then kind of put it together. It says that we can use whatever format we want, and she did put out an announcement kind of giving more details because she was getting a lot of questions about it. She said a Word document would be fine, so I might just end up doing that because that's what I did for my midterm assignment, which for this class I had to like follow a company and make like a whole document based off of the research I did. I just used a Word document, so I think I'm just gonna do that again. It's 6:50 right now. I had a late lunch, so I'm not really hungry. This is why I didn't want to do a routine video. Usually I do eat around like 6 or 7, but I'm not hungry, so like that wouldn't even be normal. All of this packing and moving isn't normal. Obviously that's not part of my night routine, and finishing up random assignments isn't normal either. So don't worry, you will be getting a night routine soon, because I always fail to do the night routines because I don't really have a routine for the nighttime. I just kind of relax and do whatever I want. Tonight's definitely a little bit busier than normal, but I will be doing a night routine probably when I come back from Christmas break. So look out for that because that'll be a fun video, and hopefully I'll probably have a routine by then. Not quite sure, but I'm gonna start working on this, so cue the montage. Okay, so I changed my mind. I did the first part of the assignment, but I think I'm gonna switch to doing it with a PowerPoint instead of a Word document, because I didn't realize that we had to include pictures and like descriptions and all that stuff. But I'm only like one section into the project, so not too bad to like switch everything over. Also, there's such a glare on my glasses. It's also freezing in here, kind of weird. Okay, it is 8 o'clock already and I'm only like just barely starting the post. So I have everything formatted and I think it looks really good so far. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So the fake brand is called Aria, and basically we have to make a fake brand campaign because they want to start branching out to the younger male demographic. So we had to come up with a few different social media platforms and then make up some fake posts. So Zara was kind of my inspiration for this because they have a very clean aesthetic to them and they have a very, I don't know, they just have a really cool vibe to their marketing, and they have a very like clean variety of clothes, and I don't know, I just really like all their marketing stuff. Like this is a video from Zara that I am just borrowing for my project, but everything is very like clean and they all look very nice and like put together, and that was the brand's idea slash goal. I don't know. And then I have the second post, same type of thing. This is also from Zara's Instagram. Yeah, I am currently working on that right now. I think I have to do like a lot more. I think I have 6 more fake Facebook posts to do and 6 more fake tweets to do. And then I also have to create a motto slash tagline, but I really kind of want to get it done tonight because I already started it, so I'm already like in the mindset of doing it. But it's already 8 o'clock, so it's like kind of, it's not late, but I still have to like edit this video, and I feel like it's just boring that I'm like sitting here doing homework. But I'm not hungry. I don't want to like make dinner or anything. I had a late lunch. I'm literally not hungry like whatsoever. Maybe I'll go like make something to drink, like a hot tea or something. I'll heat up some apple cider. Okay, I'm gonna do that. So I got this spiced cider from Trader Joe's in the fall, and I don't drink it that much, but it's really, really good. I've never tried it heated up though, so I'm gonna try that because I feel like that would be really good. I don't know, I guess I'll just like microwave it. Okay, we're gonna do a little taste test. You can see the steam, it's very warm. My glass is fogged up. It's really hot. You guys, that is so good. It's literally just hot apple cider. I don't know why I'm like fangirling over this, but it's so good. It's so much better hot than it is cold, in my opinion. Okay, this is actually exactly what I needed. I'm literally kind of in love with it. Oh my god, it's so good. The vibes in my room are just too perfect right now. I have my wonderful hot apple cider, you know, a beautiful to-do list, of course. That stuff is just, I'm just gonna ignore that. This doesn't exist in my mind right now. Like I turned off that side of my, what's it called? Peripheral vision? Peripheral? I don't know if that's how you say it, but I turned off that part of my vision. I'm ignoring it. That doesn't exist in my mind. But we have the Christmas decorations, we have a wonderful candle, and I am also listening to Taylor Swift's new album. So yeah, it's just really vibey in here. I like it. Before I forget, I might as well just chat about this right now, but I am going to be doing a live stream for tomorrow's vlogmas, so for Saturday's vlogmas, just because like I said, I'm moving. I'm not going to be able to vlog that. Well, I would be able to, I just don't want to. But I'm pretty sure I'll be home by that time, so I'll be doing a live stream at home, and that'll be like kind of in place of that vlogmas video. But vlogmas has really been catching up with me, but I've just been trying so hard to like hang on until the end because today is literally the 17th and I've made it this far uploading every single day. But let me tell you, I will be very relieved when I don't have to upload every single day. Not that I have to right now, but it's a goal of mine to like successfully be able to do vlogmas. But I'm gonna get back to my project because I still have a lot of stuff to do for it, and I really need to finish it tonight so I can like get it out of the way. Okay, Okay, so it is 9:18 and I just finished. So I have all these fake posts that I literally just stole the videos and pictures from Zara. But that was the vibe I was going for. So I just finished everything and I'm gonna turn it in. It wasn't as difficult as I thought it was going to be, but it did take me a while. I don't even remember when I started this. I guess I'll find out when I edit this video, but I'm gonna turn it in just to get it over with. There weren't like a lot of directions with this, so I hope it's good enough and I hope I actually got all of the requirements done. Save, open, submit. Okay, it's gonna take a while to convert, I guess. I don't know, I've never seen this before, but I don't think I've ever uploaded a PowerPoint, so that's probably why. But I'm so happy that that's done and over with. That was such like a heavy weight on my shoulders. It was stressing me out a little bit, not gonna lie. And I'm gonna check this off of the to-do list, and I'm gonna do the discussion post that I think I mentioned, but then I will officially be done with this semester, be completed, and I will literally like be done. Like I have nothing else to do after this. So it is 10:19 right now and I am going to shower. I'm not gonna wash my hair because I just washed it yesterday, even though it looks like a mess right now. Like what the heck. But yeah, I'm gonna shower and probably start editing this video. Don't worry, I'll do a cute little montage of everything I do for the rest of the night. But I probably won't be chatting with you guys again because it's getting kind of late. And I know I'm not going to want to because I'm gonna be really tired later. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it was somewhat interesting and kind of showed you guys what a night in my life looks like. I will be doing a night routine sometime soon in the future, probably next month, so don't worry, that is coming soon. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow in my live stream. And cue the cute montage.